The shutdown forced Lockheed Martin, the world's largest defense company, to furlough some 2,400 employees. Marillyn Hewson is the new CEO of Lockheed Martin. She tells us that a standoff in Washington is bad for companies all over the world.
I'm running a business, and so when we have a situation of uncertainty, whether it's the government shutdown and for how long, whether it's a continuing resolution, whether it happens to be sequestration, all of those things impact our business in terms of decision making on what we're going to do with our plans going forward.
I mean, you're not just running a business, you're running the biggest defense company in the world. Do lawmakers get, do you think, what has happened in terms of the impact on big business, small business, medium-sized business?
You know, I spend a lot of time speaking to our lawmakers, and everyone that I speak to understands.
But even as Congress acts, it's a short-term fix. We'll be dealing with this again in just a few months.
Well, that's an unfortunate situation that we would like to just get to a long-term solution. I'm frankly encouraged. If we can get forward, it's very important now to get things moved forward and come to an agreement that allows people to get back to work. And then with a full approach to get to a long-term solution to deal with our fiscal challenges with the nation.
And we're going to have more of our conversation in the next half hour. Marillyn Hewson tells us how she became Lockheed Martin's first female CEO. It's a really interesting story, guys, not only because of how much the defense industry has been affected by these defense cuts, sequestration, and then the shutdown, but also of the 6 defense companies in the world now, 3 of them are now headed by women. So really interesting change going on there.
Where did she come from?
She spent 3 decades at Lockheed Martin, so she's been at the same company for 3 decades.
Good.
Yeah.